What's going on, Stroke fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something that's not our scheduled program. We won't be any truck content today, but it's definitely something you guys are gonna want to stay tuned to see. But I'm pretty sure all of our subscribers that are here for the truck content will be interested in what's going on today. So you guys stay tuned and come along for the ride. So guys, as you can see, we have a 2021 Polaris Highlifter 850 in the shop today. No, this is not our four-wheeler, unfortunately, but it is for a relative of mine. Today we're gonna be installing a winch and some rock lights on it today. He just picked it up maybe two weeks ago, and super clean bike, man. I've always liked the Polaris platform, the Scrambler specifically. But as you guys probably don't know, I've had a Can-Am Renegade 1000 like early on when it first came out. I think I had a 2013, which is, I think it was the first year of the Gen 2 style Renegade, and I loved it, but I hated it at the same time. These bikes just, there's so much power on them, and they just break every time you go to ride them, and that's what I hate about them, and why I've been torn on getting another one. But this Sportsman Highlifter 850, it looks really good, guys. The silver colorway that they went with this year is really nice. I mean, it's a good looking bike. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments if you're Polaris or Can-Am. But this one looks really good, and I took it for around the corner for a spin. It has power, guys, but it is governed at, I think, like 50 miles an hour. So not getting really fast, not getting a lot of speed, but it definitely picks up speed really good. But yeah, like I said, today what we're gonna be installing is a 4-piece rock light kit and 3,500 pound Badland winch on this baby. It doesn't have it. That's how Polaris jumps into the market at getting a four-wheeler of this size for the price that they sell them for, because they sell them with basic wheels, no winch, and something else. But this is the reason why the price point on the Polaris 850 is so much lower than, let's say, a Can-Am Outlander 850. It's because the Can-Am is gonna come with the winch. If it's the XMR, which is the equivalent to this Highlifter edition, it will come with the winch. It will come with premium style wheels and something else. But that's why everyone, you know, a lot of people kind of lean towards the Polaris because it kind of leaves you flexible. You can get into it and not spend a ton of money, and then, you know, add accessories later on, you know, as you please. Like, he's going with this Badland 3500 winch. 3,500 pound winch from factory Can-Am, they probably charge you 500 bucks for a winch already installed on the four-wheeler. This winch, I'm not sure the exact price, but I would say maybe 200 bucks, if that much. And then rock lights, you know, you have to add those aftermarket regardless anyway, but he does have an exhaust coming for this thing, so I can't wait to hear it or see him once he has that put on. I know it's gonna sound really good because Polaris has a really, really good sounding, like choppy sound on that four-wheeler, so I know it's gonna sound really good. But I think I'm gonna try to attack this winch first. That's gonna be the most technical probably install, but everything else should go on pretty simple. Rock lights should be simple. Fingers crossed, I don't want to jinx myself, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna get you guys set up. I'm not gonna really go step by step because this is really simple stuff and there's tons of videos of it on YouTube already. So I'll probably put you guys on a time lapse, and then as I complete something, I'll break it down to you and let you know what I did, you know, something simple to help you out if you're doing this and whatnot. So let me stop talking and let's get to it. We got the everything for the winch ran. I'm gonna have to go to the Polaris dealership and pick up the actual mounting bracket for this four-wheeler, because you can't use like the regular flat mount that normally comes with my winch. Polaris has a 4-bolt system that goes in from the side, so I'm gonna have to go pick that up. But we got everything ran for it, so once we get that, all we have to do is drop it in and it'll be good to go. Got the rock lights all ran and wired up, and they're looking good. So you can see them, I got them on strobe right now. They're pretty nice kit. I ran everything up top. Try to keep it as dry as possible, but obviously, you know, it's still gonna get wet and everything. I shrink wrapped all my connections, and then taped everything, the ends, so to make sure no water really gets into them. So it's kind of just overkill. But we got the module mounted up here. I think that's a pretty good spot. It's close to the rider. It's up high as possible. And then it's away from all the heat and everything from the motor. So you can see we got them mounted up like so. Real clean, you don't see any of the wiring for the rock lights underneath. Same here in the back. Ran the wires up here around frame and then over to the module over there. I mean, I don't mean to brag, guys, but I'm really good with this. I'm nice with it. So here's I mounted the solenoid for the winch up top. Try to, you know, mount it as high as possible. This came out really clean the way I put this. So I basically mounted it to the actual fenders of the four-wheeler with some bolts. It's solid. You can see it's not going nowhere. And poured up our wires up top. Got those nice and neat. These will all be covered by the shroud, so you won't see any of this, honestly. Everything comes down here, runs to your battery, and then your 2 leads go to your winch on the other side. And once, like I said, we get the plate to mount it, that'll mount up there, and that'll be pretty much good to go. So let me turn these lights off so you guys can see the rock lights on the four-wheeler. So I think they look pretty good. This kit also has a pure white function, and it's pretty nice. You can see it, pure white. A lot of kits you get, they don't really have a white. They mix the colors to try to make white, but it's never a pure white. So this kit has a pure white with it, and it's pretty nice. You can adjust the brightness of everything. So that's pretty nice. He got a trail ride he's going to this weekend, so he really wants all this done. So pretty much everything is done wiring wise. I just have to install fair lead once you get the mount, the winch, our button, the switch to operate the winch, the little this is the remote extension, so you can it has a little remote, so you don't have to be on side of the four-wheeler. I don't even know if I'm probably gonna put that on there because it's really pointless with the four-wheeler. That's more for something like a side-by-side or a car. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna pick up the winch mount. We're gonna put that in, and also the exhaust came in, so we're gonna go ahead and install the exhaust and that in the next video. So you guys stay tuned for that, and let me know if you guys think I should make more videos on stuff like this, and if we should get one for the channel, honestly. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please go down below, hit the like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell if you guys haven't already. Hope everyone has a great day. Peace.